This video will demonstrate installation of the VESA mount adapter for the AOC I2779VH. Start by laying the monitor down on a soft, flat surface. All the electronics and hardware we need to access can be found under this plastic panel. You'll need some kind of tool to remove the plastic panel. I prefer guitar picks. I use thin guitar picks as well as thick guitar picks. First, pull up gently and insert a thin guitar pick. This will unlatch the snaps that hold down the plastic panel. Once one of the snaps has been unlatched, I use a thicker guitar pick around the edge of the plastic panel to remove all of the other snaps. Simply insert the guitar pick and run it along the top and bottom of the entire panel. Once everything is unsnapped, just lift off the plastic panel. Unscrew the two screws which hold the electronics in place, and gently pivot the electronics assembly out of the way. Then unscrew all the screws holding in the factory mount, and remove the factory mount. Next, simply insert the VESA mount adapter, making sure that all of the alignment pins are in place. When inserting it, make sure the plate goes underneath these plastic tabs. Refasten all the screws, and pivot the electronics back into place, replacing the two screws that hold it down. To replace the plastic panel, set it in place and just push down. Make sure you snap all the snaps all the way to the edges. When installing the plate, make sure you don't put it on upside down. This will block access to the ports, the headphone jack, and the power connector. Align all four screws and screw them in snugly, not too tight. Your monitor is now compatible with 100mm and 75mm VESA mounts.